In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove a song from a playlist. So I have here a playlist and it has quite a number of songs, and I'd like to go ahead and remove one song from this playlist. To do so, it is quite simple. Just head over and open your playlist. If you don't know how to get your playlist, just go to your library here, and then this will take you to your playlist. Go ahead and identify the playlist you want to remove a song from, and then once it is opened, identify the song you want to remove from the playlist. Once you get to the song, go ahead and tap on these three dots here next to the song, and then tap remove from this playlist. If you go ahead and tap on it, now you can see the song has been removed from that playlist. So that's how you remove a song from a playlist on Spotify. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, if this video is helpful, please like it and also subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.